Hello you guys, Fuzzy here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your squishies more slow rising. This one's not that slow rising, but it's pretty squishy. I like it. This one's not that slow rising. This one's pretty slow rising. And this is one that my friend got me from Walmart. It was a panda. Its like body was coming off. I just took it off and made it a panda bun. Its ears fell off. My brother took it and messed with it, but my brother digged a hole through there. They take my squishy, but it's still a squishy. So it's a panda bun now. So yeah. So let's get on to the video. So the first thing you're going to do is take your squishies and put them in the freezer. You don't want to put them in too long to where they are like hard and like turn frozen, because then it won't work. You want to put it in there for like 5 minutes or a couple minutes. So yeah, let's go do that. So I'm in my kitchen. I'm going to put my squishies inside the freezer. You can put them in the fridge too. Doesn't really matter. Just put them in like cold place. So I'm gonna put them back there until they get more cold, because they're gonna get really squishy. Like this big one, you need to leave it in like a big one. You need to leave it in there for like a pretty long time, because like they won't like it won't like get slow rising in the whole thing. It'll like only get slow rising on the surface, and it will feel weird. But yeah, so my squishies are in there, and I will see you guys in a couple minutes. So they are now finished. I'm going to take them. I'm not going to squish them just yet. I'll put them in this bowl. I'm not going to squish them yet. I want to save that spot. It's really cold. I left it in there for like 2 minutes. They're probably going to be pretty squishy. Okay. Let's go. Okay, so you guys should seen the before and after. Before they weren't that squishy. Here's the football. Ow. This is for whenever it got out the freezer. It's definitely more squishy. I like this kind of squishy for it. It's really nice. Next we have a sloth. Next we have the panda bun. So squishy. I love this one. This one like does the best in the freezers. And this one. I love them. Super slow rising. Come on. I don't like super slow rising squishies. So yeah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.